Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Would You Rather Ramadan edition. Ready? Let's go. Would you rather break your fast with dates or break it with water? Go to sleep early or go to sleep late during Ramadan? Eat iftar at home or eat out for the whole month of Ramadan? Eat something new every iftar or keep the same simple iftar every day? Give charity to the needy or spend money on a lavish iftar feast? Attend a community lecture in person or join a virtual Ramadan webinar? Perform the 5 daily prayers in the mosque or perform them at home? Read the Quran on your phone or read from a printed mushaf? Spend time alone in reflection or take part in community service during Ramadan? Celebrate Eid with family at home or attend a large community event? Have a cup of tea after iftar or have it before suhoor? Attend iftar gatherings and share meals with others, or eat iftar alone in quiet? Start your day with a heavy suhoor or with a simple, light suhoor? Travel during Ramadan or stay and relax at home? Perform itikaf in a local mosque or perform umrah in Ramadan? Wake up early for suhoor or stay up late for qiyam? Host iftar for friends and family or eat iftar at home alone? Spend time in Ramadan to study Islamic knowledge or spend more time in dua? eat healthy, light meals for suhoor, or eat fast food for suhoor. Study the Quran in the morning or study it before going to bed. Memorize the Quran alone or memorize it with a group. Pray Tarawih in the mosque or pray it at home. Eat iftar at a restaurant or always break your fast with homemade food. Break your fast with a small snack or with a full meal right away. Share Ramadan with others or keep your worship private and quiet. Break your fast with an apple or with an orange. Finish the Quran once during Ramadan or aim to finish it 3 times. Arrange an iftar for reverts and new Muslims, or arrange one for close family only. Do some active social work during Ramadan, or post Islamic reminder content online. Spend money on luxury iftar meals or give charity to the needy. Watch Islamic lectures during Ramadan or read Islamic books. Pray tahajjud in congregation at the mosque or pray it at home with family. Perform Umrah during Ramadan or perform Umrah during other months. Give your zakat to a local charity or support an international humanitarian organization. Listen to Quran recitation or recite the Quran yourself. Give up social media for the month or give up your favorite food during Ramadan. attend a scholarly Ramadan lecture, or join a casual iftar party with friends? Donate money privately to those in need, or organize a public fundraising iftar event. Focus on improving your character during Ramadan, or focus on increasing acts of worship. Would you rather teach a child how to pray during Ramadan, or learn a new act of worship yourself? Thanks for playing. Drop your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quizzes. Assalamu alaikum.